Pressure washing or power washing is the use of high-pressure water spray to remove loose paint, mold, grime, dust, mud, chewing gum, and dirt from surfaces and objects such as buildings, vehicles and concrete surfaces. The volume of a mechanical pressure washer is expressed in gallons or liters per minute, often designed into the pump and not variable. The pressure, expressed in pounds per square inch, pascals, or bar, is designed into the pump but can be varied by adjusting the unloader valve. Machines that produce pressures from 750 to 30,000 psi or more are available. Cleaning restriction. This machine is the main device for eye-catching cleaning. Pressure yield combined with high temperature production provides exceptional detergency. The high temperature it produces has been successfully melted oil and permanent constituents that are rapidly affected by high pressure. It is substantial. Especially we use heavy-duty and sturdy material. This power washer will continue to operate for a long time while it is used stably. Part of it is made of stainless steel. The warming cycle is an overwhelming obligation aimed at not causing problems in the cleaning process. Hoses further equipped to maintain high-pressure water flow. High-pressure washers use high-pressure sprays to remove dirt, sand, lubricants, paint, slush, and dust from buildings, concrete and concrete surfaces. With high-pressure water jet, all kinds of outdoor dirt are removed. The highest high-pressure washer 2017 that operates at various pressures varies depending on the type of cleaning surface. Steel Structure Coating Committee, SSPC, classifies pressure ranges as follows. The terms pressure washing and power washing are used interchangeably in many scenarios, and there is some debate as to whether they are actually different processes. A pressure washing surface cleaner is a tool consisting of 2 to 4 high-pressure jets on a rotating bar that swivels when water is flowing. This action creates a uniform cleaning pattern that can clean flat surfaces at a rapid rate. Hydrojet cleaning is a more powerful form of power washing, employed to remove buildup and debris in tanks and lines. Pressure washer nozzles alter the direction of flow and velocity of the water. Nozzles allow users to reach a greater distance or apply more pressure to a difficult-to-clean surface. However, they can be dangerous. Nozzles are color-coded for easy identification, with black nozzles covering the widest degree, 65 degrees, and red nozzles covering the least 0 degrees. Great care should be taken when using a 0 degrees nozzle as it can cause injury to the user and damage to surfaces. Pressure washing is employed by businesses and homeowners to reduce allergies, minimize hazards, and improve aesthetics. A pressure washer is used to clean surfaces such as gutters, roofs, decks, sidewalks, and more. When you are working in a dirty industry, you need a perfect piece of equipment to clean up the mess that remains. If you are engaged in fishing or marine industry, you need a high-energy machine to keep the docks and boats clean. If you are working in construction, you need to constantly clean dirt and heat of the corridors and equipment. And if you work in an industrial warehouse, you need durable machines that can scrub high-traffic areas. Facilities need to be cleaned of tracks, buildings, writings, or even rooftops. But what kind of pressure washer will work best for a unique case? Some pressure washers work with gas and others with electricity, and different types of pressure washers have different lysine. So how do you know which one? Always point the washer pressure away from others and self. The strong current of water can cause serious injuries, including dehydration. To prevent its flow of water from flowing, making it more difficult to operate, and the first requirement is a 29.5-inch bar for 3,200 psi or less, and a 48-inch bar for more than 3,200 psi. You may want to try a pressure washer on another surface of the one you plan to clean first. This way, you will get a better idea of how much power the pressure washers so as not to damage the most important surface. Try stretching from concrete or other durable materials. No matter which industry you're involved in, you can take advantage of a high-quality washing machine. Use the tips above to classify your options and narrow the pressure washer suitable for your unique business needs. If you are in the market for a washing machine in Washington, go to Ben Cleaner Sales. We have pressure washers and other types of cleaning equipment for businesses and homeowners, along with all the products to protect yourself while using one.